When it comes to sticker making, the traditional way of doing things is by printing your artwork out on the EcoSolvent machine, inserting registration marks so you can put it on the vinyl cutter to cut it out. So let's do that, shall we? Okay, so we have our vinyl sticker, right? So now I just want to show you something. I purposely printed this with these very tiny details at the edge of the print. And that's why with this design, I had to create a contour line to cut around the artwork. Why? Because I couldn't cut these small details out on the vinyl cutter. Let me show you the result. Now, that's not bad at all, and it does come with its uses. But what if I told you that there's a machine that can print your artwork directly onto film without the need for weeding or you having to create a white outline because you have to create a contour around your artwork? Let me introduce you to the UV DTF 300 machine. Now, the beauty about this printer is that it prints directly onto film, which then becomes your sticker, which means there's no need for cutting or weeding. Now that's super exciting. I've prepared the same artwork just for comparison. Now let's see what this baby can do. Okay, now before we do that, let me show you what to expect. Now this is a UV printer, which means it uses black, cyan, magenta, yellow, which is your basic CMYK, and varnish and white ink. This printer makes use of two films. First is the printable film, and then it's the transfer film. Come around to the front, let me show you. And this is the transfer film, which then covers over your print and acts as the transfer film. So, let's get this comparison on the go. The DTF UV 300 makes use of two print heads, one for color and then the other for white and varnish. The white prints first, then the color on top of the white, then on top of the color prints the varnish, which then protects the print from scratching. There are a lot of settings and passes you can play with for optimal results, and the top layer of film is then fixed onto the final product. When the sticker is done, just pull it out and cut it off. So here we go. Now, the print is actually sandwiched between the two films, which makes it pretty easy for application. So let's go ahead and do the comparison between the two. Notice how the fine dots are completely on their own, no weeding needed. Then just turn the sticker around and apply it. Fix it down firmly and then pull the top film off. And look at that, no contour needed and the colors are awesome. It even bulges out just like you would expect of a sticker. And there you go. Now you also know what the UV 300 DTF from am.co.za is capable of. With a width of 300mm wide printing area, this DTF UV 300 printer is an awesome choice for your sticker creations. this video, and I will catch you on the next one. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call sales.
"2023 marks the 10th anniversary of am.co.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunny Rock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare parts storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. am.co.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. am.co.za. Achievement matters.